Courage, and I'll be teaching you on angles and polygons. First of all, what is a polygon? What is a polygon? A polygon is a figure with many sides. A polygon is a figure, a plane geometric figure with many sides. With many what? Sides. Now, if a polygon is a figure with many sides, what number does the side start from? So for you to detect a polygon, the side must be greater than what? 3. Or greater than or equal to 3. So it means that a polygon with a shape with 3 sides is what? A polygon. That is, a triangle is a polygon. Good. A shape with 4 sides is a quadrilateral. So a quadrilateral is a what? A polygon. So there are other polygon examples. We have the pentagon with 5 sides, the hexagon 6 sides, the heptagon with 7 sides, the octagon with 8 sides, the nonagon with 9 sides, and the decagon with 10 sides. So those are examples of what? Polygons. Now, all these you can see here, they are all polygons. We can classify a polygon as either regular or irregular. And for a regular polygon, all sides are equal. Not just the sides, all sides and angles. All sides and interior angles are what? Equal. So for a regular polygon, all the interior angles and all the sides are equal. Look at the square. Look at the hexagon. Look at an equilateral triangle. They are all regular polygons. Now a square has 4 sides and the sides are all what? Equal. So I can refer to it as what? Irregular polygon. This is a hexagon. For an hexagon, all the sides and all the interior angles are equal. Hence, it is a regular polygon. Same with the equilateral triangle. It has 3 sides and all the interior angles are 60 degrees each in magnitude. Hence, it is a regular polygon. But for an irregular polygon, none of the sides and interior angles are equal. So for an irregular polygon, none of the sides and none of the interior angles are equal. Now, we can also classify a polygon as either a concave polygon or what? A convex polygon. A concave polygon or a convex polygon. Mind you, this is a scaling triangle. None of the sides are equal and none of the interior angles are equal. Hence, we can refer to it as an irregular polygon. Now let's go. So for a concave polygon has at least one interior angle reflex. So a concave polygon has at least one interior angle reflex. Now look at this pentagon. This angle that is from here at this interior is what? Reflex. It is greater than 180. A reflex angle is an angle that is greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. So for a concave polygon, but at least one of the interior angles is what? Reflex. What about a convex polygon? A convex polygon has all interior angles acute or obtuse. For a convex polygon, all the interior angles, that is all the angles that are inside, are either acute or obtuse angle. Now what is an acute angle? An acute angle is an angle that is less than 90 degrees. An obtuse angle is an angle that is greater than 90 but less than 180. So, for a convex polygon, all interior angles are either acute or obtuse. This, and this are all convex polygons. Good. Now, the sum of the interior angles of an n-sided convex polygon is given by 2n minus 4 times 90 degrees, which is also equal to n minus 2 times what? 180 degrees. So this is the formula for the sum of the interior angles of any n-sided convex polygon. So it means that each interior angle will be what? Sum of angles over the number of sides. That will be the formula for each interior angles. But the sum of exterior angles of any n-sided convex polygon of any n-sided convex polygon is just 360 degrees. That's the formula. So each exterior angle will be 360 degrees over the number of sides. So this is all I have for you for now. So we are going to be solving questions in the next phase. I'll see you there. Don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time watching us. And the first one says, a polygon has 15 sides. Find A, the sum of interior angles. Okay? The number of sides here is what? 15. And the sum of interior angles is what? 2 times number of sides minus 4 times what? 90 degrees. So we have 2 times n is what? 15 minus 4 times what? 90 degrees. This is what? 2 times 15 is 30. 30 minus 4 times what? 90 degrees. We are solving A now. So this is what? 30 minus 4 is what? 26. That's 26 times what? 90 degrees. And so 26 times 90 degrees will give me what? 2,340 degrees. So the sum of interior angles of this polygon with 15 sides is this. Now, B says each interior angle. So each interior angle is equal to the sum of interior angles over number of sides. That's 2,340 degrees over number of sides, 15. So this divided by 15 will give us what? 156 degrees. So each interior angle of this polygon with 15 sides is 156 degrees. The third one says each exterior angle. Each exterior angle is equal to what? I told you that the sum of exterior angle of an n-sided convex polygon is 360 degrees. So each exterior angle is equal to 360 degrees over number of sides. That's 15. So 360 divided by 15 will give me 24 degrees. 24 degrees. So as far as this problem is concerned, each exterior angle is what? 24 degrees. For the next question, it says, one interior angle of a convex pentagon is 110 degrees, and each of the remaining interior angles is x. Find the value of x. A convex pentagon. First of all, what is the sum of interior angles of a convex pentagon? The sum of interior angles of a what? Of a pentagon is what? 2 times. Okay, let's go. 2n minus 4 times 90. In this case, n is what? 5. Because a pentagon is a plane figure with 5 sides. So I go 2 times 5 minus 4 times what? 90. 2 times 5 is 10. And 10 minus 4 is what? 6. So this is 6 times, this is 90 degrees. 6 times 90 degrees. And so 6 times 90 degrees will give me 540 degrees. 540 degrees. Now, if the sum of interior angles of a pentagon is 540 degrees, now they have said that one of the angles is 110 degrees. And in the pentagon, there are 5 angles. One is 110. They said that the remaining one, each of the remaining one is x. So it means that the remaining interior angles is equal to what? One is already 110. The others will not be x. They said all are equal x. X plus x plus x plus x. That's 4x. So the remaining angle will be what? 4x. So if I add 4x to 110, I'll get the sum. So 110 degrees plus 4x is equal to what? 540 degrees. It's simple. So 110 plus, so to make x for the formula, I will say 4x is equal to 540 degrees minus 110 degrees. So 540 minus 110 is simple. 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 1 is 3. 5 minus 1 is what? 4. That's 430 degrees. 4x is equal to this. So x is now equal to 430 degrees over 4. So let's see what that gives us. 430 divided by 4 is 107.5 degrees. So x is what? 107.5 degrees. A It also means that each of the remaining interior angles, that's 4 of them that are equal, each of them is what? 107.5 degrees. So let's see the last 2 questions. The last set of questions. In this diagram, I'm asked to find the value of x. I'm asked to find the value of x. Now, this is a polygon. Let's count how many sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 7. So this is a what? A heptagon. Now, are we really concerned about the number of sides? Let's find out. I have exterior angles here, 2x. I don't have one here, but I have an interior angle. I have one 90 degrees. I have one x. I don't have one here. There's an interior angle here. I have one x and I have one 60 degrees. So what I will do now is to look for the exterior angle. Let me complete them. Now, this is a straight line. This line is a straight line. And the sum of angles in the straight line is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, this angle here will be what? 180 minus 136. That is what? 44 degrees. Good. This is angle 90. Okay? This is 121 degrees. And the sum of angles formed here is the what? 180 degrees. That's a straight line. So, the angle that will be formed at this point, at this exterior, will be 180 minus 121. Good. And that's 59 degrees. So, we have gotten the exterior angles complete. So I have 2x, 44, 90, x, 59 degrees, x and 60 degrees. So remember that the sum of the exterior angles of any convex polygon is what? 360 degrees. So x plus 59 plus x again plus 60 plus 2x plus 44 plus 190 is equal to what? 360 degrees. You know the reason? Because of the sum of exterior angles of the polygon. Now, x plus x is 3x, 2x, sorry, plus 2x is what? 4x. Now, 59 plus 60, 59 plus 60, plus 44, plus what? 90, plus 90, everything is what? 253 degrees, 253 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. So, collecting that terms, 4x will now be equal to 360 degrees minus 253 degrees. So this gives me minus that's 107 degrees. So 4 is equal to 107 degrees. So x will now be equal to 107 degrees over what? 4. So this divided by 4 is what? 26.75 degrees. So as far as this problem is concerned, x is 26.75 degrees. So to the last question now, Now, it says, how many sides has a regular polygon whose interior angle, that's each interior angle now, is 1/5 of the exterior, whose exterior angle, this is exterior angle, is 1/5 of the interior angle. Now let's see. Each exterior angle is what? 360 degrees over what? Number of sides. Now they say that the exterior angle that's equal to 1/5 of the interior angle. And each interior angle is what? 2n minus 4 times 90 over what? N. That's what I'm saying. So each exterior angle here is 1/5 of the what? Of each interior angle. This is what we are going to apply. So first of all, this n will cancel this n. Now this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. So I can cancel out these two n. Now I have 360 is equal to 1 times everything here is 2n minus 4 times what? 90 over what? 5. Remember, we are looking for n. Okay, so I will now cross multiply. Or I can divide this side by. I can divide 90 by 5. Or I just say 5 times this. Anyone works. So 90 divided by 5 is what? 90. Okay, let's just do it this way. Cross multiply. 5 times 3 is 60. That's 5 times 360 degrees is equal to 1 times this, which will give me 2n minus 4 times what? 90. So 5 times 360 will give me 1800 degrees is equal to 2n minus 4 times what? 90. So I will eliminate this 90. Divide both sides by 90. So I have over 90 over what? 90. So 90 will cancel 90. 0 cancels 0. 9 divided 18, 2 times, so that's 20. 20 is equal to 2n minus 4. So from here now, to make n short the formula, I will now say 20. By the time this 4 cross to the other side, comes to positive 4 is equal to what? 2n. So at this point, 20 plus 4 is what? 24 is equal to what? 2n. And dividing both sides by 2, n is then equal to 24 over 2, and now it's what? 12. So it means that the polygon has how many sides? 12 sides. So the polygon has 12 sides. Now, thank you very much for watching this video. I appreciate your effort so much. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to tell your friends about this channel. Do well to solve questions, do well to practice problems so that you get used to this more. I'll see you some other time in my next video.